Understanding the phrase, shaft end. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the English phrase, shaft end. Whether you've heard it before or it's completely new to you, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what it means and how to use it. Shaft. The word shaft has several meanings in English. It can refer to 1. A long, narrow part or section forming the handle of a tool or club, the body of a spear or arrow, or a similar implement. 2. A ray of light or bolt of lightning. 3. A long, vertical passage, especially one for elevators in buildings or for ventilation. 4. An act of treating someone unfairly. End. The word end typically refers to the final part, point, or extent of something. Now, let's combine these two words. Shaft end specifically refers to the terminal part of a shaft. It's essentially the tip or the extremity of the shaft. In machinery, it's the part of the shaft that might connect to another component or receive an attachment. Here's a simple example. Think of a pencil. The shaft is the long body of the pencil, and the shaft end would be the very tip where the eraser is, or, on the other end, where the point is. To further your understanding, here are some example sentences using shaft end. 1. Make sure to attach the blade to the shaft end securely. 2. The shaft end of this tool is slightly damaged, so be careful while using it. 3. The designer decided to embellish the shaft end with a decorative element. That's it for today's explanation of the phrase, shaft end. I hope you now have a clear understanding of its meaning and use. Always remember, the best way to truly grasp a new phrase is to practice it in your conversations. So, don't hesitate to use shaft end when you see an appropriate context. Until next time, happy learning!